Namaste, I am Sridhar Banigiri, welcoming you to my channel. Friends, today I want to share a very special features of what our Nityananda Gurukul is. Nityananda Gurukul is a school, a Vedic school. How different it is compared to any other schools, English medium or convent schools, how different it is compared to the government school, all that you will know in my sharing. Nityananda Gurukul, Sanatana Hindu Dharma, Adhyatmika Veda Vidyalaya, world's best and oldest education system, creating leaders of tomorrow with temple-based curriculums, international syllabuses, multiple intelligence learning, conscious-based education. With this complete education, children discover Hinduism, a way of life, learn Vedic scriptures, yoga, puja, homa, etc., achieve their peak possibilities, radiate confidence, focus and creativity, exhibit extraordinary learning, develop excellent memories and stunning higher order thinking, excel in performing and fine arts. This is the pamphlet I just read, this pamphlet of Nityananda Gurukul. Whatever is given in this, I have seen more than that with this Gurukul kids. My own personal experience of interacting with Gurukul kids, I was amazed by their confidence, I was amazed by their balance, and I was really amazed by the way they carry themselves. The same thing I have seen in convent schools and in government schools or in other schools, conventional schools, the modern day conventional education system, how different it is compared to Gurukul kids. My observation I am sharing. This Gurukul kids are not something different. They are also similar like our any other city school children's. There is no difference. They are all same. They speak beautiful, excellent English. Only difference is the way they have been taught and the way they have been educated. Paramahamsa Nityananda has given this wonderful opportunity for people of Bangalore. If only they know what exactly they are doing, definitely the advantage for the children will be there. The basic difference here which I observed is, in the conventional way of education system, there is competition. The kids are competing with each other. No harm in that, but the competition will have later effect, and the competitions will develop stress and other related factors which will not explore a human possibility to that extent. Whereas in the Gurukul, what I observed is Paramahamsa Nityananda has a unique way of teaching the system for these children in Advaitic principles. That is, they all have that oneness. With oneness, they don't compete. With oneness, they are trained, and they have developed extraordinary powers with this oneness. I have seen personally, and I am authentically telling, certain kids there in the Gurukul ashram can read blindfold. Skeptics will immediately dismiss because their conditioning or their root patterns are like that. It is impossible, because even in the beginning, whenever we say that people are reading blindfold, our children are reading blindfold, it is very not so easy to accept it, because we all know the science of reading by light falling on that. So that's why we read all these things, all the knowledge, known knowledge we have got. The unknown knowledge we do not know. But once we see the kids, test them, personally I recommend people to go and see how they do this. It is in their, they say in by oneness they are able to achieve that. and they say that the oneness with the Guru, they are able to see blindfolded, and also they are able to scan bodies. Like, we have scanning machines. If you are having medical issues, we go to the hospital to do MRI scans. Like that, they do scanning, and they know the material in the book, what the materials is. They didn't download the material, the information which is there in the book. All these extraordinary powers they have developed, and if you ask them how they have got these powers, they just tell by awakening their third eye, they have achieved all these things. And to awaken the third eye, they only have to be in oneness with everything. Friends, how beautiful the system is. Just imagine individuals or kids growing up with oneness principles, without any diversity, without any division or divisibility, without having boundaries or limitations for themselves with others. They are not having any boundaries. They are not having any differentiation with any person, anybody. They are able to express these extraordinary powers by their oneness, the principles of oneness, Advaitic principles. That is what I have observed in this Gurukul ashram. In this Gurukul, earlier it was, they used to charge. There was fee structure for this, and residential school was there. Children used to go and be there, and they had a fee structure for it. Surprisingly, this structure fees is no more there, because this September Inner Awakening, that is in 2016, on Vijayadashmi Day, Bhagavan Paramahamsa Nityananda declared that his Gurukul ashram will be free. They completed 10 years. They completed 10 years of the curriculum, and Bhagavan immediately declared it is free for all. The reason why he told that it is free is, he clearly mentioned in the Shastras, in the Vedic period time, the Guru or the enlightened masters used to give education for the pupils, whether he was a king's son or whether he was a common man's son. Everybody used to come to this Gurukul, and they were taught from the age group of 7 to 14 years. They were under the guidance of the enlightened masters at that period. So Bhagavan Paramahamsa Nityananda told that in the scriptures it is very clearly written that when a guru teaches his pupils, whether he should not have any discrimination, whether he is a king's son or whether he is a common man's son or a soldier's son, everybody are equal for him. And for that he need not charge the parents who bring the kids and leave them in the Gurukul ashram. He need to feed them. And how he need to feed them? It is very clearly he mentioned that those days the gurus used to beg, or they used to take alms from the society. Whatever money they received, with that they used to feed the kids. This was the principle. And even if he is a king's son, he will only be having he will only be fed and looked after till that certain age by the Guru. This system Paramahamsa Nityananda explained. I was fortunate enough to be there. He explained that, and he declared that his education will be free of cost, and it is a huge blessings for kids, especially when we were all young. We all studied convent schools, and in convent schools we knew that in Hinduism or in Vedic scriptures there are extraordinary powers. We all knew that by seeing this comics, Chandamama comics, or all these scriptural books like Ramayana, Mahabharata. We knew that we Hindus, or in Hinduism, they had extraordinary powers. Humans had extraordinary powers. That extraordinary powers was only in storybooks. And of course, when Vivekananda also shared that human possibility or human mind is capable of doing so many things, even they used to say that Vivekananda, by just seeing a book, he could see what is there, content in the book. That was only all for us in the history, but present, I am fortunate enough to see The kids in front of my eyes itself do this, and they are all trained by Bhagavan Paramahamsa Nityananda. Such a great noble service he is doing for the society. Especially his focus is on kids. His training is for kids. And I will share some links. You can see the links how the third eye demonstrations are done. And third eye demonstration is not only just blindfold reading, or it is not only just doing some teleportation or body scanning. The principle of third eye, or the principle in which they operate, the oneness, is what the focus is. And the kids do not have any differentiation. They are very friendly. Me personally interacting with them, I was amazed by their maturity, the way they carry themselves, the way they talk to the peers or somebody who's come, the way they express themselves. There's no shyness. They are very bold. They are very authentic. That's what I observed in the kids. And Bhagavan Paramahamsa, with his compassion, he has also announced this system of education. He has given 10 days free training or free program of for other children's. Then is Gurukul. All over India right now there are almost 650 students have come from different parts of the country. From 8 years to 21 years, the kids have been trained by his guidance, and that is done free of cost. The free of cost education he is giving this gifts of what he has discovered to the kids, and that itself is something amazing. So friends, I recommend you all to look into what this education system is. Seriously, the men on power also can look into these aspects of teaching, and they can contribute their support to this way of education. That's what I wanted to share. And if you have any queries or questions on wanting to know more about this education system, you please see the links which I have shared. And any other queries, you can personally write to me. I am free I will respond to you. And in this program also, my daughter had an opportunity to attend this 10 days program, and this education, she will definitely have the extra edge over the children's in her school. And when she shares this with other children's, like that, the children will definitely understand the urgency of this type of education system, especially in the modern world where there is so much of competition, where this competition has actually made people to live a stressed life. And I am sure the children who are educated in this Gurukul will be a fantastic citizens, contributing and enriching to the society. That's what I see in the future, and I pray that many of them, many students, many small young children get this education. Thank you. Nityanandam.